have power. So I'd like you to come up with a name for this iconic identity. What are you going to call it? Remember, vertical blonde, she stood for something. What are you going to call this version of yourself? Juliana, it's one of my favorite words. And it basically is your responsibility here on this earth. Using your passions, your talents, your skills, your experiences, your pains, your traumas, everything for the benefit of yourself, others, and the world. I had a negative view about what disability looked like. And I'm guessing you probably do too. And I thought, if I can't change the fact that I have a disability, then that's what I'm destined for. My entire sense of identity had been shattered. So I made a radical shift. A radical shift. I literally changed directions in an instant. I went from thinking and believing that my life was over, this thing took away my perfect life and shattered it into pieces, to fully believing, fully embodying that this experience and this circumstance gave me everything I ever wanted.